Why the 2024 Triton is your brand new favorite pickup truck starting today. First, it has the all-new 4N16 engine. Mas fuel efficient at mas pinalakas lalo ang hatak at power.
Power!
Second, inimprove na rin yung frame for better performance and safety at yung suspension para mas komportable ang pasahero. Third, mas pinapogi lalo dahil bukod sa bolder looks, may styling bar na agad nakasama. And last but not the least, mas mahaba, mas malapad, mas mataas compare sa competitors. Ang Triton din ang may pinakamalaking cargo bed sa lahat, kaya mas maraming mailalagay. Ask me for more!